if this is it, Hiccup.
Just stop your crying, it's a sign of the times. Welcome to the final show. Hope you're wearing your
I love you, Astrid
best
Hofferson,
clothes.
with everything I have, and I always will.
You can't bribe the door on your way to the sky. You look pretty good down here, but you ain't good.
Astrid, you and I have been through everything
We never
together.
learned, we've been here before. Why are we always stuck and running from the bullets? The bullets.
Astrid, I
We
need some
never
time to think.
learned, we've been here before. Why are we always stuck and running from the bullets? The bullets.
There will always be a Hiccup and Astrid. Always.
Just stop your crying, it's a sign of the times. We gotta get away from here. We gotta get away from here. Just stop the crying, it'll be alright. They told me that the end is near. We gotta get away from here.
What was that for?
Just for being you.
Just stop your crying all the time of your life. Break into the atmosphere, and things are pretty good around here. Remember, everything will be alright. We can meet again somewhere, somewhere far away from here. We never learned, we've been here before. Why